Howdy everyone, hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're looking at the beautiful pool here. This is at the Peregrine. Really, really pretty pool. I love the look and feel here of this pool. It's very gorgeous. I'm not surprised how pretty this is because this is a Toll Brothers product. Toll Brothers is a really gorgeous home builder. They've been around forever. They do multi-million-dollar homes, so they're going to have a multi-million-dollar kind of pool. It's very pretty. So very nice. You can see the beautiful beautiful pool here with the seats in the water. You're going to have great areas to sit over there with umbrellas, cabana over there. You're going to have a lot of nice little things in here. This is a really pretty area. So this is what it looks like over here. Very, very nice, beautiful pool area. Out here, you've got a lounge area that's really nice too. Let's go explore it. How fun. Let's go see it. So we're gonna go see it right now, and this is what it looks like. So over here, you got a grilling area. You've got a really nice area over here. Super area over here as far as seating and just fun. And look at over here. You've also got kind of a cave area that's fun. So let's walk into that. This is very gorgeous. I mean, look how big it is. We've already walked a lot of distance, so we're now in this area. This is just simply gorgeous. So lots to see. There's two TVs over here. There's a foosball over there. Love that. And then we got, you know, this looks like a bar area over here too. Wow. Okay. Oh my gosh. And then there's more. Let's go. Oh, gotta go see it. Of course, we're here. Let's go see it. So I've got another area to check out. Wow. This is so yet another area that's super cool. And we're walking down to see it. Really cool area here. So I would call this more of a, kind of a courtyard area. It does have our college game over here that we all love. That's really cool. So it's got hammocks. So this is pretty fun. There's a grilling station over here too. So that's super fun. And man, just a really nice area. You've got also this area here too that's enclosed and with just a great area to enjoy and relax. Wow, very extensive, very stunning area here. Lots of things to do. If you have questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. And if you're ready to tour this place, I'd suggest maybe doing a FaceTime tour or a Zoom tour or Microsoft Teams tour. That might be the best approach to start, and then we can set that up, or we can do a live tour as well of here and other places as well. It's always 100% free. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Let's go now. We've got a little special thing here. I'm going to show it to you next.